the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, finds itself in a precarious situation, scrambling to rehire several employees it mistakenly terminated just days after announcing a controversial plan to optimize its workforce through significant staff reductions. This abrupt reversal, reported by NBC News, follows the USDA's public declaration of its intention to streamline operations by cutting jobs and terminating contracts, a process reportedly facilitated, albeit unofficially, by the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, a tongue-in-cheek agency spearheaded by billionaire Elon Musk, often referred to as Doge. The USDA's spokesperson issued a statement to NBC News acknowledging the error. Although several positions supporting avian flu were notified of their terminations over the weekend, we are working to swiftly rectify the situation and rescind those letters. However, a request for comments sent to the USDA by Reuters remained unanswered at the time of this writing. The irony is not lost on observers, given that these employees were crucial to combating the ongoing H5N1 avian influenza outbreak, commonly known as bird flu. The CDC has categorized the risk to the general public as low, although farm workers remain at a significantly higher risk of infection. The devastating impact of the virus on poultry populations, however, is undeniable. Massive flocks of laying hens have been decimated, leading to a dramatic surge in egg prices as farmers grapple with crippling financial losses. Since 2022, efforts to contain the spread of the bird flu have resulted in the culling of over 145 million chickens, turkeys, and other birds, directly contributing to the price increases. The escalating cost of eggs is stark, a 65% increase in 2024, followed by an additional fee. The USDA's erroneous firings are not an isolated incident within the federal government. Other agencies are also experiencing substantial job losses, stemming from a voluntary buyout program and the dismissal of probationary employees, both implemented under the previous Trump administration. Reuters reported that the National Institutes of Health, NIH, saw the termination of 1,165 employees on a single Sunday. The severity of these cuts extended even to the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, where the job losses within the food division were so severe that a senior leader resigned in protest, highlighting the far-reaching consequences of these workforce reductions. The situation underscores a broader concern about the impact of these aggressive cost-cutting measures on essential government services. The USDA's hasty attempt to rectify its mistake only serves to highlight the potential chaos and disruption caused by poorly planned and hastily executed workforce optimizations. The scale of these dismissals, coupled with the USDA's backtracking, raises serious questions about the effectiveness and oversight of these government-wide efficiency initiatives. The focus on rapid cost reduction seems to have overshadowed the critical need for skilled personnel to address pressing public health concerns and maintain the integrity of vital government functions. The incident serves as a cautionary tale about the unintended consequences of prioritizing rapid workforce reductions without considering the long-term implications for critical services and public safety. The USDA's actions highlight the complex interplay between budget constraints, efficient government operations, and the critical need to retain skilled personnel in essential roles, especially during times of public health crises. The potential for further disruptions and the need for more thoughtful approaches to workforce management are clear concerns moving forward. The repercussions of these actions extend beyond simple financial considerations, impacting the effectiveness of crucial services and raising ethical questions about the manner in which these reductions have been implemented. The lack of transparency and the apparent disregard for the implications of these actions are deeply troubling and necessitate a thorough review of the processes involved. The need for careful consideration of the human impact of these cost-cutting measures is paramount. The USDA's actions, and those of other agencies, underscore the urgent need for a more balanced approach, one that prioritizes both efficiency and the retention of essential personnel necessary for the effective functioning of government programs. The continued impact of these workforce reductions on the delivery of vital services remains a serious concern demanding further investigation and scrutiny. If you have sensitive information regarding the impact of federal program cuts or reductions in the federal workforce, please contact the Guardian securely using a non-work device and the Signal messaging app at 646 886 to 8761.